So right now I would like you to take through the entire course in a nutshell, which we have gone through the various processes, starting from the basic editing, starting from the basic different frame sizes, different frame attributes, video properties, and all. So let us go through all that in a nutshell. Yeah, so these are the standard frame sizes of a video: 480, 360, 720, 576, 960, 540, 1280, 720, and 1920, 1080. These are the different FPS, frames per second, of a video: 23.97, 24, 25, 30. These are the different pixel aspect ratios: 4:3, 16:9, which is wide screen. These are the different broadcasting standards in a video: NTSC and PAL. These are the standard audio channels: mono, stereo, and 5.1. This is the interface, or the graphic user interface, of Adobe Premiere Pro. First one is the project panel. This one is the source monitor. This one is the program monitor. This is the timeline panel. This is our audio meter, and this is our tools panel. These are our tools, the different tools: selection tool, track select tool, ripple edit tool, rolling edit tool, rate stretch tool, razor tool, slip tool, slide tool, pen tool, hand tool, and the last, zoom tool. A summary has also been prepared for you guys: frame sizes, frames per second, pixel aspect ratio, scan line, audio settings, channel sample rate, creating a new project in Adobe Premiere Pro, overview of the various project preset settings, customizing your own preset and saving it, introducing the GUI of Adobe Premiere Pro. So these are basically the different areas which have been covered, and the different points which have been covered in our video. We have also learned importing clips, organizing them, working with the project panel, working with the source monitor, creating in and out points, working with clips and markers, action and save zone, title save zone, working with program monitor, working with timeline, working with audio meter, and at last working with tools panel. Thank you.